Yes, you can still get more than 5% interest on your savings, but you have to be clever about it. Now, I'm going to show you some analysis of all the accounts that do provide more than 5% interest. Rates are generally falling in the market, but as I say, if you're sneaky, you can get 5% interest still. Now, here's an article on the Money to the Masses website that specifically looks at how to get more than 5% interest on your savings. Now, there's a table that I'm going to jump straight down to that provides the accounts paying the best rates. Now, you can see you can get 7.5% from Principality. They have a regular saver account that provides 7.5%. There is a limit on a regular saver. That is typical of all regular savers you're going to see in this table, where you can only put in a certain amount a month. This one in particular, you can only put up to £200 a month in the account. So it does limit the amount that you can get in interest in a year, but there's nothing to stop you opening multiple accounts with different providers and dripping the money in. That will reduce your overall amount of interest in pounds and pence from a sum of money, but as you can see, the best rates are generally regular savers, but there are some later that are from cash ISAs as well. So First Direct give you 7%, Cooperative Bank give you 7% on their regular saver. So you could potentially have a lump sum of money which you drip into multiples of these accounts. What you could do over a course of a year is have another account that's paying a pretty decent rate of interest and move money into these over time to try and boost the overall amount of money you're getting in pounds and pence on your savings. If we skip past the regular savers, you can get a children's regular saver that pays 5.5%. That's with the Halifax. But you can get a cash ISA that pays 5.46% from Moneybox. Now, I must point out that that rate includes a 3-month bonus rate. The underlying main rate is 3.49%, variable with a bonus on top, which will drop away after 3 months, but it's still a pretty decent rate at 5.46%. Moving beyond the other regular savers with Principality and Santander, you can get 5% with a Nationwide Flex Direct account, and that is 5% on the first £1,500 in the account. There are T's and C's to all of these accounts, which you can see below in this article, so I won't pause on them on screen. You can pause the video if you wish to, or click through the link that you can find in the notes to read this at your own leisure. As you can see, there is the Moneybox Cash ISA with the bonus rate attached. Now, if you found that useful, make sure you bookmark this particular article, because we update it regularly with all of the best rates that give you more than 5% interest. They are becoming few and far between because banks are cutting the rate of interest they are paying as a result of the Bank of England bringing down its base rate. So if you are wanting to get the best rates, you need to move quickly. Now, if you found that useful, hit that like button, but also make sure you subscribe to the channel.